It was the year 2008 at De La Salle University. Everyone was excited for the upcoming student council elections. Everybody was like, "Who's your pambato ba? It's hard to mamili eh." I don't know yet. Baka si Kata kasi she's pretty, mabait, and magaling. Lahat ay busy. But in every busy place, there will always be a corner for guys like Jert. He's tahimik, pogi, chill lang. Overall, a cool-looking guy. Pero if you want to know him better, you need to get closer. Yup, you're hearing it right. This guy is medyo jologs. He loves Tagalog songs, lalo na yung mga AJs at Glock 9. But he also loves to party all the time. Pero shh, sa atin lang itong mga dapper cads ha. This is his friend Charlton. O musta? Like everybody else, Charlton opens up about elections. Pero our guy Jert pretty much just says, "Tsura. Sige pre, una na ako. Pumasok ka ha. Pumasok ka. Gago, babagsak ka sa ginagawa mo." School has been boring to this guy. He has been failing his subjects. But then, he saw this girl. Who's your pambato ba? It's hard to mamili eh. I don't know yet. Baka si Kata kasi she's pretty, mabait, and magaling. Mabait, maingay, masayahing tao, Miss Congeniality. But there was something about this girl na nakakuha ng atensyon ni Jert. From that point, it seemed like all the weight on Jert's shoulders were lifted. It was like there was a glare of light. It was a sign of God to him, telling him that this is the girl that is right for me, the girl who would get me back on the right track. So days have passed since they both saw each other. Sabi ni Jert sa sarili niya, kailangan makagawa ko ng paraan para makilala ko siya. One day, as he was walking with his friend Charlton, Ton, sumama ko bilhin ng Tupperware as in now na for my chem class. Kailangan ko talaga. Sorry, may pasok ako. Sana lang. Ako na lang. Ha? Ton, wait lang. Sino ba yan? Jert. Kata. Jert. Hi. May pasok ako so hindi talaga kita masasamahan. Ton! Tupperware. Minsan, container. Minsan, kaibigan mo. Pero minsan, palusot. Ang usapan sa malapit lang bibili, like 7-Eleven. Pero wala namang Tupperware dun, uy. Kaya kung saan tuloy sila nakarating. Kung saan sila tinangay ng pag-ibig. I mean ng Tupperware.
You, give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together.
But like any other relationship, they had their ups and downs. Kamusta naman ang buhay may girlfriend?
Okay naman po. Masaya. Masaya naman po.
Ikaw, Kata.
Jert, sino ba yung babaeng yun? At bakit niya sinasabing girlfriend mo raw siya?
You actually believe her?
Oo! Iniisip ko yun! At sa tingin ko, kung magsasabi ka naman, makikinig ako!
Hindi na. Dapat di ka na nakikinig sa babae yan eh. Lagi lang yan sinasabi na girlfriend ko raw siya.
Isanabi na yun eh.
And ano, Kata, let me refresh your memory ah. You always listen to that girl. And pagod na ako nakakaulit na hindi totoo yun. And the worst part is, ikaw.
Ano?
Yes, you are the worst part.
Ako?
Oo, hinahayaan mo tayo sirahin ng gagang yun eh.
Ano mong gusto gawin ko, ha? Girahin siya, mag-eskandalo ako sa maraming tao, ha?
Ay, so kasalanan ko pa ngayon ng maraming tao.
Sinabi ko ba yun? Sinabi ko ba yun, Jert, ha?
Hindi mo nga sinabi yun, pero yun yung nakasulat sa mukha mo.
Lahat na lang! Ito. Jert! Ano to? Bakit nandito pa to? Ako na naman gagawa nito, ha?
Sorry, nakalimutan ko eh.
Hindi.
Ako na,
Makakalimutan mo na naman.
Ako na babayaran ko.
Ano ba?
Putang ina, pinulit mo eh. Paano ko mababayaran yan? Sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na lang ulit. Ikaw na lang lahat. Ikaw na.
Ano? Ano gusto mo gawin ko? Ano gusto mo sabihin ko? Ano?
Di na ako sigurado, Kata. Di na ako sigurado kung tama ba sinamahan pa kitang bumili ng Tupperware.
You would always ask me those words I say and telling me what it means to me. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip mula nang tayo'y nagpasyang maghiwalay. Nagpaalam pagkat di tayo bagay. Nakapagtataka. Hindi ka ba napapagod o di kaya'y nagsasawa sa ating mga tampukan? Walang hanggang katapusan.
Sige, ikaw na! Ikaw na lang ulit! Ikaw na lang lahat!
Napahid ng mga luha, damdamin at puso'y tigang. Wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman.
Pero gaano man kasakit at kabigat ang mga pinagdadaanan nila, laging kay Kata pa rin bumabalik ang puso niya.
ba lagi? Hanggang dito na lang ba ako?
Lumayo na ka.
Ready na akong mag-commit. And there's only one girl for me.
Gungawin ang araw.
Ang running joke daw ng mga nakakakilala kay Kata ay, "Kata, tibay ng helmet mo ah." "Tibay ng helmet mo ah." Helmet. Minsan, proteksyon sa ulo. Minsan, proteksyon sa gwapo. Minsan, instinct na natin ang magsuot ng helmet. Defense mechanism kumbaga. Dahil lahat tayo, takot masaktan. Sa palagay ko, kusa na nating nararamdaman na eto na yun. Handa na akong tanggalin tong helmet ko. Eto na yung taong kaya akong protektahan hanggang dulo.
Kata, will you marry me?
Love is blind? Hindi siguro. Tadhana na ang magdikta sa'yo kung ano ba dapat ang maging desisyon mo. Ikaw, kanino mo ma-share ang Tupperware mo? Handa ka na bang hubarin ang helmet mo para sa isang tao?
Yes!
Pagod na ako nakakaulit na.
Ha? Girahin ko? Girahin ko ito.
Ba't mo ako hinahawakan? Ako?
Ano? Away na lang. Sabihin ko sa'yo, ha?
Hindi nga yung nakasuot sa mukha mo, pero
Hello, Jordan Kata. Thank you for giving me the chance to be part of the momentous video na magiging part na ng buhay niyo. So, congratulations. Best wishes to you guys. And to Jert, alagaan mo si Kata. And Kata, alagaan mo rin si Jert at the same time. God bless your marriage. And good luck. And let's claim it that this will be a prosperous relationship for both of you. So, congratulations and I love you both.